Thanks for watching this video about how to use your signatures in Gmail. So really easy. You want to go into your inbox or any of your boxes over here. But anyways, you want to click this settings, the little gear at the top. Come on. And then see all settings. And then scroll down to where it says signatures, which is right there. It's a signature. And you can see that I don't have any signatures on this account. So, and when you have it that way, then it won't be, after this, you won't see this create new button. But we'll go ahead and we'll name the signature. We'll call it default signature and create it. And then you can edit it with anything you want. So I might put my name and my website and my email address. The email address on this account anyway. So, and then if you want to create a new one, you can click another create new button and we'll call it second signature. And maybe we'll put my second signature in this one and some more stuff. So and then you can pick with your email address that you're using on this account, you can select which signature you want to use. So we'll say for the arbandinc@gmail.com, we'll pick default signature, and on replies, we'll pick the second signature. And then we'll insert the signature before the quoted text on the email. So that makes it so that they can actually find the signature and not get stuck in the quoted stuff. You may not always want to do that, but it's worth some. You can do it. I do it by default, and if I want to change it, then I change it. So there you go. There's how you edit your signatures. Then scroll down here to the bottom and click Save Changes. And we'll wait because my computer is very slow. My internet connection's slow. Today it's especially slow, of course. Okay, and then when you compose a new email, it's defaulting to my other address, so we'll put then you can see that it puts in the default signature that I put on there, and then I can switch to a different signature if I want to by clicking on the little pen and select the signature. So now we have the second signature in there. So we'll go back to the first one. We'll say, hi there. Now we can use signatures. So there you go. And then just click send, and away it goes with your signature on there. And that way you can easily switch between your signatures and use different signatures for different things as you need them. So hope you found that helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. Click on the buttons at the bottom of the video window, and click on the information the more information that I have in the description of the video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.